blood clot, man. I rely upon man for me there with them, rub them down and comfort them and I feel nice. And when I'm gone, I rely upon my blood clot self. I want to hear me sing a drunk a dog blood clot shit and come eat the shit out of my bottom. I'm a single. I'm going to take one boy at Jamaica. 2 weeks I spend with him. And that boy doing some blood clot things. I am confused. I confess or I think I'm confused. Yeah. And I confess, I talk it all, and I'm a blood clot confess. There's a difference with me. I don't make people stay for me. Come here to get on with blood clot life. Allow my husband for true. I have enough on the man. Allow the blood clot youth. The man married to me, I will go through all sorts and it done on a still continent. I throw petrol in the fire feet blaze. 1 year, I'm single for. When I take my husband, I have no man. Me no fuck a box. And my pussy mean a lot to me. I just open my pussy so. And that boy, when I go take, when I come back to England the day, the boy jump out of the blood clot car left me. And when I go, I airport, I come back to England. Airport. You hear that? I never turn artist yet. Guess what? One man make my ball to blood clot go and I try to make a next man stop up blood clot that. And him do me just the blood clot save or even worse. Man, I feel like don't blood clot tell me about no man. But I hear for myself. On the two blood clot negative and conniving. I want you to say to myself to stop the car. You know why? Me I drive. Me a bad blood clot girl. Me I drive where I come back to England. And first to begin with, him going to the back of the car. Because he want to rule blood clot me, I not take ruling because I'm my own independent person. And him in at the back of the car, and Bill asked me if I say you could have bill one for me. A split. A blood clot split. No. Someone go through some blood clot things in their life. And I'm saying you type of big blood clot. Bold and beautiful woman we are elevating now. And I motivate now as a woman I go through things. And by my ask the boy if he not make this split for me. I'm going to say do and take the right turn and him say, baby. It's this world. I'm glad I love myself. I'm here now like I'm rude and fucking stinker, imperturbable, love self. So when I try to tell myself, I love my blood clot self. And they would say to myself, baby, oh, you not put tire indicator. I said to him, say, it no matter, because I need to come to Jamaica this. Not a good, it's not a right answer, but that's the answer me give him. I'm telling you the truth, so I'm not going to pretty it up. Him say, well, baby, you should have put your indicator. I said, should have, could have, never. Remember, I'm in at the back of the car already. So I done in a blood clot him. So I said, should have, could have, never. Me never put on my indicator and nobody in a crash. He goes on by saying another thing. He said to me, me not free. Reprimand him. And I reprimand him. He was like, I said, don't contest me, baby. And I said, what you say? I said, the first blood clot you pick me up when I come to Jamaica. You're there on your phone and you drive 100 miles an hour. And you're there on your blood clot phone. You can't tell me about indicator. And the man said, let him out. And I said, no, blood clot, let it, because I'm in the back of your car. Still I drive. So I can't tell me about blood clot, man. I own a force man cocky now. Come suck out my nose all. Love blood clot, man, I stay with myself. I'm my own independent boss, blood clot, bitch. You think I'm on where my brains?
Like braces, black girl off my white girl, I'm in the braces, black matty for my white jeans, man the greatest. Whoa, strapping my matty cracking the latest. Whoa, stuck in the faces.
Sliding door and come out. I'm a ball. My ball from Mandeville to Mobay. My drive a ball. You hear that? Never come live. Even though I'm feeling like crazy, I even got Jamaica for. So when I tell blood clot me as a big man, say. Because my husband, when it got me perfect, I'm in the middle of the serve, I get an when me get a man where you make for me, leave me the fuck alone. You said the boy reach the airport in my friend car. I'm alone in my car. I am buy my ticket. Where hear me say, me pay for my ticket, go to Jamaica and pay for my hotel. I went to treat myself. Because me a dads. I'm not taking no blood clot chat. I'm my own independent blood clot boss bitch. You was driving on the phone. Who is Ziggy? Ziggy, I'm an ex before this. Ziggy, your body big na blood clot. But don't be the big pussy girl, me a bad girl. Move your blood clot. Me never left you more than no say I say your cocky big and sweet and nice. Big up yourself, Ziggy. Move on a blood clot. I see him Ziggy McCall. A real blood clot woman. You hear that? Me know the boy from me there with Ziggy. I say Ziggy that man look me on. And me always I tell Ziggy. I say to the youth, say, I can't take in a come and cheat. You see, if somebody can come here and cheat, me will cheat. But I can't plan for cheat. I can't make date. Somebody can't look me and cheat me. Me nah go cheat. Let me stay by myself. I mean, know that man for 3 blood clot years. And when me and Ziggy left, I'm telling me I come to Jamaica, I go. I never treat me nice. I never. The first time the boy fuck up my dirty blood clot. I reach Jamaica, I put on full red. My net clothes, my little red panty. Spray up my perfume. The boy give me some blood clot. Fuck all the boy want to fuck up my pussy and prove him can't fuck me. One of the time my friend said she think me that I come through the world to blood clot. The boy fuck me. One at a time I cry all blood clot cream on my mind. But me determined a blood clot. For all in my can blood clot manage the position. I skin out every angle. And that boy fuck up my dirty nasty blood clot. And so him done fuck me. Him say baby me soon come. They must have on blood clot this up. Me don't care. Nobody not tell me nothing. Leave me in my own rights and space. I'm say baby me soon come. I call up any blood clot name. If you fuck me or suck blood clot, I call up your name if I feel like me a bad blood clot girl, me a queen. Move your blood clot, Ziggy body big and nice. Big, nice, sweet cocky Ziggy have. I've never left Ziggy more than no same cocky sweet. Back to the reason now. And the boy said, baby, him soon come. Remember I read my van, you know. I'm going to beard and powder and put up full black. A black blood clot house. All know me that's about the man. I made him rent blood clot hotel. All now me not see about the blood clot, man. I no can't chat to blood. Now my blood clot husband. My husband was there with me too thick and blood clotting, and if him fit up and go on, I make him go and leave him. Stop and blood clot me. But tell her with my husband. Every blood clot step of the way I do was with me. All if we're not blood clot friend. All if him vex. I remember kindness. My biggest step in life are with my husband. Move on a blood clot. Back to the reason now. When I say 3 o'clock, my beard I'm put on full black. I first me I go to Jamaica, I first me I get my pussy. You hear that? And my beard I'm put on full black now, different outfit. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Me never see that blood clot boy until fucking 11 o'clock the next day. I when my friend said to me, say, I thought you was gonna come through the wall. But me just a show now. The morals of the story is nobody know we're out there for no blood clot body. You can't knock it until your blood clot right. Ziggy was my partner when I met my ball to come, man. I was Ziggy there for 5 years and 5 years. Ziggy. When the boy jump out of the car, I saw me say blood clot. The boy just pull him because it's an automatic there now. And just hear zoom. And the man just take up him weed pan. I don't know if me swift, you know. Ziggy! Remember me and Ziggy left a year ago now. However long ago it was the time. Ziggy, the same man we tell about. Ziggy McCall to God bless blood clot. Ziggy, I'm to know. And him give me him listening blood clot ears. I'm a ball go. I'm a be at airport. Come back at England. Ball. Nobody can't tell me what to do in my life. And that me have tried to shut up on a little thinking crutches. You ever watching a sour blood clot crutches? Fucking bright. The man must sit up on this. That the man do me. Right, crazy. Away from that, I talk about it already. You know, I know me right crazy them. Him say when I come Jamaica, I not to tell nobody. All right. I not forgot on the internet, so I slide down and not tell nobody. I say, all right. And I one condition, I have to go visit my mom. I can't go to Jamaica and I go see mommy. Him say I go carry me go to mommy. Right, crazy? Day one, him give me a story. Day two, him give me a next story. Day three, him give me just drive go blood clot, put more by myself because I'm my own dads. That me I try to tell them. So when you have dads, you have blood clot, there's nobody not dictate to you. I drive go put more myself. And go visit my mom and do a video in my mother's house and put it up. At that time, the boy style blood clot me. The boy said, baby, I be a baby, call me enough to trick me. The moment. And him say, baby, my focus for everything. Nobody not tell me for focus, but leave me a blood clot alone. Like you want me to stop that about me. I talk. Where? I know why you're not listen to me. It's my page. I know why you're nobody contradict what me I say. Low blood clot me. And my pussy the man fuck out. The man fuck out my blood clot pussy in the bathroom and fuck out the people in the bathroom. Broke out the people in the bathroom blood clot base. I'm spread up on the basis of. So one time I like my breath, one time my almost blood clot give up and I say, lie your blood clot tell. That's how before I get husband. No, can't force no cock in my blood clot pussy. Oh, I'm turning. I'm a England that me I come back. Our man fuck up my pussy for 2 blood clot weeks. Trick me many times along the blood clot way. Me not even telling the 3/4 what the boy do me. You hear that? Oh, that RT blood clot RT. Ah. RT boss, are you that warm? Me say RT name. Fucking rude, I come in for me. I fuck it or fuck about slow blood clot me. If me telling a woman do blood clot me, when I say boy Queenie. Yeah, she finna lie. You understand me? So you say me see the man do me that. That's at the January now. And by August, no, by January, February, by March, I turn artist, you know. You saw when the man hear me song, the man say no one hear me song. My man fuck up my pussy for free for 2 weeks, you know. I mean know this boy for 3 years in a row crazy. 3 years I know this boy for you know. And when this boy I say, listen, when me in a relationship, me not cheat, you know. And when me do get the boy the blood clot chance, and I tell me that the hotel to blood clot, I want earthquake. Earthquake shaped the 28th of January. It was Escada birthday. Some kulu the boy give me to blood clot. Me never know no about kulu in my life. Blood clot, kulu me out cause the boy and I have no blood clot time for me. The boy just trick me and tell me the sweet something them. The son the boy call me and him on him. Video call and him bite him lip and him said Janice. Him talk nice, him speak flowingly nice. And he said him lean back and him bite him lip for me. I said blood clot me I got Jamaica go take him. And my friend said, why are you going to Jamaica to take man? That's not like him. I said, but me not have no blood clot, man. I know that man here for 3 years, so I'm going to take him. Blood clot, right, crazy. From the man pick me up a blood clot airport, me should I didn't know. You hear that? So nobody in the boots me for take the man. Let me stay with my nice, true, authentic self. And nobody come my way. You bet that? Good morning, all right, crazy. You bet what, man? If you never see me, I call him. May I tell him about the man when I take a man about the man jump out of the blood clot car like when I come back to England. And them other things them what the man do me. And the boy can't fuck. Me say the boy fuck me for half an hour. The boy fuck me. Me say when my friend said to me, say, she put this. She like she said to try the dresser behind her door because come like me that go come through the wall. Me say the boy give me some blood clot. Fuck. Who this you know? Everything is at the moment. And then when him fuck me, him trick me, tell me, say I'm soon blood clot come and I never see him till the next day. All of me got beat and spray up and put on some little, me have the Chanel powder and the Chanel have the little glitter in it. So I'm going to take off the red outfit now and put on the black and put on the Chanel. I wait till that kingdom blood clot come. Leave my husband alone. My husband never do me blood clot. That my husband, the ear there everywhere with me and blood clot him till it crash. So now it crash, leave me. Everything is for the moment. Artie, you want? Artie, where have you been? Artie, me say your wife, but your wife nice, man. Me say her in a real life. Power up with you and her. Nikki. So Artie have that nice wife. They don't give so much trouble on the internet. Me not have no husband, you know. I'm married, but me not have no husband. So I'm a free single and blood clot this in gate. But me still about my blood clot husband. I'm not feed him for the doctor. Nobody. And that's the God Almighty truth. You're on a mad? What the fuck gonna feel like? You know, I can't forget the moments of the nice times and the nice moment. I'm not ungrateful. There's a difference with me. I take, you do my 100 bad and I just one good out there time I take the one good. That's the true definition of me. My brother said to me this morning, add who, Artie? Artie, you want my add you? I went there. Artie! Man, Artie's a little bumble wall. That's why I like Artie. I always tell him, Artie's such a little bumble wall. Watch my laugh. Add Artie, I gotta add him. Artie, come live and speak to me.